Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to create an email in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what are the prerequisites that we need? First and foremost, we need the login access for the Marketing Cloud. And second thing is you can choose any of the template that you like, and you can find some really good templates in reallygoodemails.com, and you need the content and images to build the email. So for this demo purpose, I have taken a simple email. So let's go ahead and look at the email first. This is the email that we are going to build today. So if we observe closely, here we can see the logo followed by the image, and we can see some content along with the CTA followed by some text. We can see some social icons along with some links and followed by the footer content. So what I'm going to do is if you wanted to build the same email, I'll provide the required resources in the description below. For example, I have this logo, I have this image, and also I have already captured the required content. Once you're ready with your resources, you can just log into the Marketing Cloud, and then you can see the Marketing Cloud dashboard. Here, just navigate to the Email Studio and click on Email. Here we can see the overview tab. We need to go to the content builder, so just click on the content. So once we click on the content builder, I have uploaded the required resources. To upload the resources, just click on create and then go to upload and then select the content. So I have uploaded the logo and image here to speed up the process. So to create an email, again click on create and then select the email message. So to create an email, here we have multiple options like template, HTML, text only, existing email. So let's look at template first. For this demo purpose, there are various templates here. We can just go with the empty template. I'm just selecting the blank page here. Like we can just give the any name. So I'm just giving same as subject here. So here we can see where we are storing this particular email. So whatever the location, and we can just add the campaign details and everything. Just click on next. So now here we can see various content blocks here, and then we can see any content within our marketing cloud, and then we can see various layouts, and we can see design. This is basically how our email structured out. To start with, first we need to add the subject and pre-header. So in my content file, I've already stored the subject. I'm just copying it here and then pasting it here, and then I have a pre-header as well. Pre-header is nothing but basically so the user sees whenever the user receives any email, so they can read that pre-header, but it will not be visible within the email itself. Let's look at the email again. So we have logo on top. Start with image block. I already have uploaded the logo as well as required images. So just click on browse. Try to organize your content in a folders so that you can easily find out. So this is where I've uploaded. So I'm just selecting the logo here. So I try to scale it down so that it looks good, and also I have another image. So let's come back here. I'm just adding another image block at the bottom. You can just release it. So this is where I've uploaded the image. I'm just selecting it out. So I have my logo and I have my image ready. Next I have some content with some title along with some text, and then I have a CTA. So let's try to add some free form. So here I can just copy the title. So title is basically get 5% APY when you go gold. Yeah, so just copy that, and then you have some content, paste that content here. Looks like there are some attributes that is being utilized in this email. So it's kind of like simple personalization. So I can just use the user any of this first name or last name. So let's use the user first name. So get your boost. I'll try to add the CTA. So there is a option to add CTA as well. The CTA text will be get your boost, and the background color is black. Just changing it, and the alignment is on the left hand side. Looks like there is some padding is being added to the email. If you can look at, there is some spacing here, and also there is some spacing between lines. So let's try to fix that. Come back to the content, just select the spacing here, and also there is some padding as well, so it's kind of like margin. So maybe just add like, let's add 30. Let's add padding for CTA as well, so 30 CTA as well. And if you look at the CTA, I think there is some radius has been added. Right. Yeah, we have the logo and we have the image and we have the first content block. So next we have again simple content block. Let's try to have the free form block at the bottom of the CTA. So basically these are all like bullet points. So let's do some adjustments here. Looks like for this one there is a different color. So and then just add some padding here as well to make it consistent. Text with social icons along with some links. So let's add that. So the text will be, and then add the padding as well. And then we have social icons after that. We have Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, those three. And then looks like this is the format that they have, and then there are no labels in it, and it is aligned on the left hand side. So now we can see the social icons as well. Here we can add any of the URLs. So I'm just adding the same URL which is there in the CTA as well. I think I haven't added, but let's try to add the CTA link here. So you can just add any of the URL, right? So and then add some padding as well here along with some. I'm just changing the background color here as well. Now we have some links at the bottom, so let's add those links as well. So let's add free form again. Home, help center, contact us and privacy policy. Add some spacing. And then try to have some links. I'm just giving same link which I've given for the CTA. Just use this link properties. Again, here also I'm just changing the background color, also adding some padding. So let's look at email copy again. So we have the home, help center, contact us, and privacy policy. Looks like the content is little bigger. Let's improve the size here, 20. Let's increase the size, maybe 20 here as well. And this is, yeah, so I think we have the some structure ready. So we have the logo at top, and then we have the image, and we have the title, along with the some content with CTA, and we have some, again, some content along with social icon, some links, and at the bottom we have the photo content. So let's add another free form. Let's change the background color and text color. And then add the padding as well. We can just duplicate the same block here and then try to edit it here, so it will be easy. And then add the padding here, and then add some spacing it on the top. Let's just add the last few paragraphs. So let's I've almost added all the content. Let's look at preview. So we have added the logo on top, and then we have added the image along with the text and CTA. So this is how you create a simple email in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And also you can just look at how it looks in mobile as well as uh, in the desktop as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.